Okay, final comments about the knife case making business here in leather. Built our case. One very important step that you need to do is to put your darn tools up. They all go in a certain place. It only takes a minute. This way you know if somebody's been in your shop jacking around. Everything has a place. Be a little OCD. We used to call that anal retention. Put everything back where it goes. If you don't have a place for everything, make a place for it. Finally, I'm going to put the lid on my glue. Yeah, I told you to buy this stuff here at the hardware store, but it don't come with a little can. You get that off of eBay for $3 or $4, something like that. Buy a bunch of them. You'll use them. Never throw your pattern making material away. It's always good for something. Putting my patterns away in my drawer. And there we have it. Now we'll dye it. We'll put a strap on it. We'll let it dry overnight. Grease it down with some top coat. And we'll be ready to sell it to somebody. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you.